How to change username ID on Rednote app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you to on how you can change your username ID on your Rednote application. So if you're also wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to change your username ID on Rednote application. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Rednote app. After that, after you are logged in, you can go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. So when you reach over there, you will be taken to profile page, and in order to change your user ID, you're going to tap on this profile option right here beside the gear icon. And here below your name, you can find your user ID. You're going to go ahead and tap on it and you will be taken to this page. So in order to change your user ID, you're going to cross out the previous one. Just go ahead and cross it out and type in the new key for your username. And after that, tap on save and your new user ID will be saved in your profile. So therefore, these are the processes you may follow up in order to change your user ID as well in Rednote application. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video.